Hey folks, welcome back to Your Reviews, the ultimate destination for all things automotive. If you're passionate about cars and enhancing your driving experience, you're in the right place. Today, I've curated a list of the top 5 must-have car accessories that will elevate your driving game in 2024. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button to stay updated on the latest and greatest in the world of automotive innovations. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these game changers. Let's roll into the future of car accessories together. Starting off our list is the Car Aroma Diffuser with LED Starry Ambient Light. This 50 milliliters cologne perfume car air freshener not only fills your car with a delightful fragrance, but also adds a mesmerizing ambient light. Perfect for creating a soothing atmosphere during your commute. Moving on to number 4, we have the SUUSON car phone holder mount. This upgraded 3-in-1 phone holder is designed to be bumpy roads friendly, offering versatility by allowing installation on the dashboard, windshield, or vent without leaving any traces. The strong adhesive suction ensures a secure grip even during high-speed drives. Coming in at number 3 is the car seat gap filler organizer. Say goodbye to the mess in your car with this multifunctional organizer that fits perfectly in the seat gap. Made of high-quality materials, this organizer not only prevents items from falling between the seats, but also adds a touch of fashion with its red stitching. Now let's talk about the TICARVE cleaning gel at number 2. This cleaning putty is perfect for reaching those tricky nooks and crannies in your car, picking up dust, debris, and even pet hair. Reusable and with a pleasant magnolia flower scent, it's a must-have for keeping your car's interior spotless. And finally, taking the top spot is the Universal Car Phone Mount Magnetic. This all-metal, one-handed mount is truly universal, working with any size phone and fitting into any car. With 360 degrees rotation and a sleek design, this mount provides a safe and comfortable way to keep your device visible and within reach on the dashboard.